My Whirlpool electric energy smart water heater is giving E07 error. Just replace the lower element.
How old is your Whirlpool water heater?
5 years?
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool water heater? What have you tried so far?
It just started today. I have hit the reset button several times.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just had the lower element replaced yesterday due to it going out. Technician did not replace upper element.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is will do all I can to help you with your issue. I'm sorry to hear about the trouble you're having. That can be frustrating. Let's see if we can get this squared away. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. First, I'll need some more info so I have a more complete picture of your situation. What's the model number of your unit?
Give me 1 second to find it.
Okay.
Customer attachment December 19, 2024 19:58 p.m. Now it's giving a E02 error.
An E02 is a high-limit shutdown. An E07 is a lower sensor failure. Pressing the reset button should clear an E02. If it doesn't, the upper thermostat needs to be replaced. You need to call a plumber.
Ugh. I just had a plumber here yesterday to replace the lower element. I pushed the reset button and nothing happened.
Well, your plumber should have replaced the lower sensor and now the upper thermostat needs to be replaced. I'm sorry about your plumber not finishing the job, but you need to call him back.
Okay, THX.
You're welcome and thanks for using Just Answer. If you have more questions in the future, let me know. I'm here to help.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.